What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove black background in Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do is put the image with the black background right here on top. Okay. And then go to the effects search bar up here and type in Luma Key. Click on it and drag it onto that image. Okay. And then as you can see, the background went away. And then go to the threshold here and then you can play with it. Let's go 50%. How about 35? How about 10%? Okay. Depending on how you want it, you can just mess with it. 1%. Let's try -10. Nope, that didn't work. So let's see -1. Nope. So let's try 1. Okay. Maybe 2. Let's do 8. Okay. You can just kind of play with it. And that's it, guys. How to remove black background in Premiere Pro. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.